All right, folks, today we've got a great opportunity. This is One Neron Place. Great address, by the way. Look at that. Over there, that's Palmer Park. Great view down the street. So One Neron Place, commanding address. This is a townhouse offered at $349,000. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, about 2,000 square feet, 2,050 to be exact. And it is technically in a condo building. So there's a HOA fee of $451 per month, and I'll get into what that entails. So here is the building / unit. You can see out these windows, that's Palmer Park, so really just an awesome view from the property. And you can step out here into your side yard. By the way, that's a huge oak tree out there. I'll show you that. So here's our kitchen. It's a new thing we're doing. We got some chips and stuff for y'all when you come to see the property. So your condo fee is going to include your exterior insurance and your common area maintenance. But other than that, the other utilities are on you. This is a small condo association with only 2 units. So it's just 2 townhouse style units next to each other. The owner is open to the idea of doing owner financing on this unit, which is great. I know a lot of people are looking for properties that have owner financing. It's a flexible way to rent to own depending on your financial situation. So now I'll take us upstairs. What I like about this property, it's an opportunity to get into a truly excellent Carrollton neighborhood. We're between Carrollton and Broadway on Neron Place. So you're really getting into an excellent location for about $349,000. Really not too bad to be in this location. It's very rare. Here's a bathroom here. It's got a little linen closet. As we're going through our bedrooms here, I want to show you again this view. It's pretty awesome. And there's that huge oak tree out front that I was showing you. Gorgeous. We got carpet, tile, and this linoleum flooring in here. This is really an excellent opportunity for the right buyer. We're also not too far from the universities. So this has been One Neron Place, exquisite opportunity, excellent townhouse style condo unit in Carrollton neighborhood, offered at $349,000. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2,050 square feet. So that's what we've got, folks. If you're interested and want to take a look, please call Chris Smith directly at 504-231-2004, and we'd be happy to assist you in any way. This has been Jacob with Chris Smith's office, signing off.